Hey everybody, this is Kindika Electrical Service. Today we're gonna be working on this board. We're gonna put safety switches and as which are the RCBOs. My wife, we're here this morning. She's actually zipping tea now. My beautiful wife. So the first thing we have to make sure that this board will be safe for us to work in. We have to make sure we have to do a shutdown procedure for the solar system. It's because it's called solar system. There's a generator here. So inverter supply, we're gonna turn the inverter off. We've got main inverter, switch inverter. We've got another inverter here. So let's see how it goes. See how it goes. Okay. So first of all, we got the supplies here for the inverters. We've got main inverter switches. So we're going to make sure that that is turned off. Utility is lost, so that's the one. So, and we're going to turn the DC off. That's off. Utility was, as you can see, yeah, the isolator, PV array isolator, that's going to be turned off. And then yeah, that's off too. So far definitely getting, there is one. This one inverter India, which is the next one. For the two inverters, the next inverter here. And I'm gonna turn the DC off. Right. Okay. So the TV system is turned off, as you can see the light. So all the powers are off now. And now we start working on the board. So that's my wife. We already shut the inverter off and we'll make sure there's no power. These are all dead now. Okay. So power now. Yeah, my wife is drinking coffee. And the next step I'm gonna do here, and I have to turn the main switch off. Because we're gonna change all these. So turning the main switch off, we isolate the main power from here. So we've got loads in here. So turn all the breakers off, just to get everything one at a time. That. And yeah, we should be good. And I'll turn the main switch off. So they are off now. So now the board will be ready for us to start work on. and that is what we're gonna do. Now that's the safety procedures. I'm gonna open up this board and then we start seeing what to do. Release this little pieces. Alright, so now we're gonna start changing this. All the final sub-circuits and stuff. Okay. The final sub-circuit, one for the RCBOs. Neutral for these.